Huh? Hey, Lyndon, clean up your mess.
Later.
Wow, Gumball! Stop! These are my Gumball. If you want the Gumball, go clean up that mess. Okay.
Andrew, look!
Good job, Lyndon. Here's your Gumball. No more, Lyndon.
Please, Andrew, I want one more.
If you want more Gumballs, use the vacuum.
Okay. Yeah! It's broken. There's no gumballs. Oh no!
Uh-oh. Oh no, my Gumball machine.
Sorry, Andrew. Let me fix it. Oh, it's not working. Sorry, Andrew.
Sorry isn't enough.
Aww. Ah! Lyndon, look. Lyndon, look. Wow! Amazing! I want to try. Wow! I'm a Mickey Mouse. You're gonna buy it? Sure! How much? Just $10. Expensive. $2, please. No, $10. Not enough money. Wait, Lyndon. Okay, $2. Here we go. Perfect. Here's your money. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Andrew.
Leave me alone, Lyndon.
I bought you a new gumball machine.
No, I don't want it, Lyndon.
Andrew, if you eat this, you will turn into Mickey Mouse like me.
Really? Let me try. Huh? Lyndon, I'm a Minnie Mouse.
Uh-oh. Sorry, Andrew. Jannie, can you come over? Lyndon, here's your Mickey Mouse. Sorry, I gave you the wrong one. Thank you. Andrew, try it.
No, I just want mine.
Uh-oh. Hey, Lyndon, I think I can help. Really? Can you? Yeah, trust me. Andrew, can I have the tool?
Okay.
I'm all done.
Wow, you're so professional. Thank you.
No problem, Andrew. Put the gumballs in here.
Okay. Do you guys want Gumballs?
Yeah.
Okay, get one.
Thank you, Andrew.
You're welcome. Bye.